Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So the first part of the video, I'm gonna introduce my motorcycle and just explain to you guys what I'm gonna do to the channel, what it's gonna be based off. So let's get right into the channel part. So the first part, it was a gaming channel, but I decided just to make, instead of making like separate YouTubes, just put them together, then I can track attention from everyone. So I'm gonna keep it a gaming channel, then I'm gonna also keep it MotoVlog and also car meets, but I'll probably just put it in different playlists so certain people can watch certain things. And I also, you can add me on Instagram and on Twitch at the same thing, at PK Darren. It stands for Preacher Kid Darren, but I just thought of that. So like I said, on Twitch I'll do gaming, but I have the GoPro Black 7 the GoPro Hero 7 Black, the live stream. So I may live stream from the motorcycles eventually, I'm not for sure. So what I have is a 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300. I got it used. It was about $3,200. I got it used. So before I get into the video, it didn't look like this. It was black, red, and white. It was the special edition fenders for the EX model, but I crashed it. That's another story. I'll tell you guys about that later on. So I bought these. I didn't know it said SE, but they all fit for each other. I bought these burnt orange with a yellow parasailing fenders. As you can see, it is yellow if you go from certain size, and then it goes burnt orange. I also got installed the MGP slip-on growler exhaust. I believe that's how you say it. Again, I'll put these mods up on the screen. I also have underglow. I haven't really used underglow. It was draining the battery, so I know I had an old battery. I probably should put a new battery in there. I probably will eventually. I also got the seat curl. It came with the fenders. Also the tinted windshield. Before it was just a regular clear one, so the tinted one's pretty cool. As you guys can see, I do have LED lights. Now I have the LED lights on for the low beam and the high beam. Probably one of the best modifications or upgrades, whatever you want to call it, I've done to the bike. The stock lights was not helping. Like at nighttime I could not see, so I love that I installed that. Also I did install a gear indicator right here, so you guys can see it. Let me see if you guys can see. I did install a gear indicator. It comes in handy, but I don't really use it as much now. I did get a phone mount, got that at Walmart. It comes in handy too. Let's see what else I did. I also installed this right here, gear lever right here, gear shifter. I had to install both of them because when I crashed, it messed up the whole left side. Eventually, I'm going to need a new set of tires. I already bought them. They're already in the garage, sitting there waiting to be installed. But I still got thread on these, and I want to change my brakes and the chain all at the same time. But other than this is just about everything I've done with the bike. I'll let you guys listen to the exhaust real quick. So the exhaust is pretty loud, and it does tend to pop sometimes. I might let you guys hear it later on, or probably in the next video, but it is pretty loud. And like I said, it's the MGP growler exhaust, and I've actually went on YouTube and heard a flyby. I didn't know how loud it was until I heard the flyby. It sounds like a huge lawnmower, just like extremely loud. But this is it for the video, so I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you in the next one.